travel planner agent in Microsoft Foundry. Hey, hi, I'm Naval Yamil. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Master and welcome back to our Microsoft Foundry series. In my previous video, I have explained what Microsoft Foundry is and why it matters for the enterprise AI, and I also gave a quick walkthrough onto the platform. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend you to pause this and watch it first because that will give you a foundation of what we are building today. Before we go ahead, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on LinkedIn to stay updated on data and AI content. Now, in today's video, we are going to build something exciting. We are going to build a travel planner agent using Microsoft Foundry. But not just a text based agent, we are going to enable a voice capabilities as well. Yes, you will be able to talk to your agent and the agent will respond back to you. This will be a simple version to help you understand how to create an agent, how to configure it, and how to test it, and how to enable the voice interaction. In the upcoming videos, we will take this to the next level where I'll be adding a knowledge base, vector search, connect to the external data, connect to your documents, unstructured data, and so on. So this is just the beginning, and I strongly request you do not skip this video. Watch until the end. By the end of this video, you will be able to build your own simple AI agent using Microsoft Foundry. We will build it using UI first. Later on, I'll show you how to do it by using the SDK. All right, let's begin. Okay, now I'm in my Microsoft Foundry. So let me just go to build and start building an AI agent here. I'll just click on build and yes, let me create a new agent here. So before I begin creating an agent, so first you need to deploy a model. So I'll just go to models. You can see I have already deployed two models. One is GPT 4.1 mini and the other is a text embedding models deployed long ago. But yes, you can deploy like different models from here. You can just click on deploy a base model and it will take you to this model section. In the discover tab, you have a model section. You have an access to more than 11,000 plus models here. You can pick up any model which you wish to, for example Claude, DeepSeek, or maybe Meta's models and so on. Now for example, let me show you how to deploy it. It's going to be very simple. Suppose I want to build an AI agent using this latest Claude model Opus 4.5 4.6. You just get inside it and you can check the details about this model, LLM model, and you can just click on deploy this model using a or set to a global standards and the default quota, or if you want you can use a custom settings. So now I have already deployed it, and for this region Cloud Opus 4.6 is not available for me. Yeah, you can see it's not available for this region. I have to put a separate request to enable this, but yeah, in your case you can just select the region and just click on continue. So this model will be deployed and you can see that in your model section here. You can see them here. Okay, so I've already deployed GPT 4.1 mini model. I want to build an agent by using this. So again, it all depends on the use case and it depends on how many tokens it generates, and there will be a costing based on that. So I'll just go to my agent. So I've already built a DMC YouTube in my last video. So let me just click on create an agent, and now I'm going to build an agent. So I have few details here. Let me just copy it from here and paste it. Yeah, I'm going to give a name called travel planner agent. So I'll just keep this here. Yeah, no spaces are allowed, and just hit on create. So agent will be deployed or agent will be created. And for this agent, first is we need to choose the model. So in my models, I have GPT 4.1 mini, which I have already deployed. You can access to more models from here and you can use it here in your agent. So your UI looks something like this. So this is your agent and you can check your model, and here you can see voice mode is there. It's in preview, but you can just switch this on or enable it and you can start testing your uh, agent by using this voice mode. Okay, and on the right side you can test it. You have metrics here, and you have chat or a YAML file and your code also. It can be in Python or maybe JavaScript and C sharp. Now before we build or before we start asking the question, let me give a clear instruction. What does this agent or travel agent exactly do? So I'll just paste it here, and I just mentioned it like you are an expert travel planner. When given a destination and duration, create a detailed day by day itinerary with attraction, food recommendation, and travel tips, and so on. Now, when you ask the agent, like it will respond you based on the question that you're asking it. But if you ask some more details, can you check the flight details also, or can you check me the prices of the hotels and so on, it might not have an access to this. So we are going to add a tool to it called the web search tool. You can just click on add and add a Bing search, that is your web search. You can just click on add, and wow, your agent has an access to the web search also. So if you have any unstructured data, yes, you can start uploading them here. You can upload the files here. In this video, I'll just stick to this web search, but in my upcoming videos, I'll show you how to upload a files, how to add a knowledge base, how to add a memory, guardrails, and so on. Now, I'm going to keep it very simple, just an instruction and only one tool, that is a web search tool. And yes, I'll just click on save, and boom, your agent is ready. You can ask any question here. You can start asking a question and your agent responds it. So let me just give, just say hi, and here's your response. Your agent responses back. And it says that how can I assist you with your travel plans today if you're looking to plan to a trip somewhere. So I have a few of the questions I have ready. I kept it ready, and I'll just paste it here. So I kept it like plan a 3-day trip to Tokyo for the first time visitor in the month of April. Let me just click on it, and boom. So it gives me a detailed itinerary plan, like day one, day two, day three, and so on. Okay. Cool, amazing. You can see here within a seconds, I tried to build a simple travel planner agent. Now you can enable this voice mode also. With this voice mode, I'll try to ask few more questions here. I'll just enable the voice mode, and the moment I enable the voice mode, and you can see there is some configuration here, and you can decide the voice you want. So what I have done, I have kept a voice. Okay, I'll just click on more options and I'll choose. Yeah, now lovely. Can you see this now? So you got this pop-up window and saying that please select the voice. So I'll try to choose Indian English here. You can keep your favorite accent here. I'll just keep Indian English, and then you can choose whatever language you want. Okay, you can listen to it and then you can select the voice. So maybe I'll choose Arjun here, a male adult, English India, and you can check how this voice is all about. You can check the description here. I'll just click on select, and boom, I guess I have done it. And I'll just click on apply changes, and I'll start with the session now. Simply I'll just click on it. Instead of typing it, now I'll ask simple questions to it, and your voice agent responds you back. This is amazing actually. Let me click on it. Hey, hi. Hi.
Especially if you're planning a trip or looking for travel advice. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, can you plan me a 5-day trip to Dubai under $100 under. Hey, hi.
Hello, how can I assist you today? Are you planning a trip or need help with something else?
Yeah, I'm planning a trip to Dubai for 5 days under $1,500. Can you help me with the best hotels and the flights and the attractions?
Absolutely. I can help you plan a fantastic 5-day trip to Dubai within your $1,500 budget, including hotel recommendations, flight tips, and top attractions. To tailor the plan better, could you please provide a few details? 1. From which city or country will you be flying? 2. Do you have specific travel dates or approximate time of the year? 3. Are you looking for budget hotels, mid range, or luxury stays? 4. Any particular interests like cultural sites, shopping, adventure, beaches, etc.? This will help me suggest the best options for flights, accommodation, and activities within your budget.
Cool. So the first is, yeah, I'm going to fly from Mumbai, India, Mumbai or Hyderabad, whichever is the best. And yes, I'm looking for a dates in the month of March, April. And yes, for the hotel, I'm going to go for the mid range. And my interests are on the sides, cultural side, shopping, adventure, and beaches. All. Thank you.
Great. Here's a summary of flight options, hotels, and attractions for your 5 day mid range budget trip to Dubai from Mumbai or Hyderabad for March or April. Flights Mumbai to Dubai. Round trip economy flights are available from around 10,995 rupee to
Cool.
15,000
Thank
rupees.
you.
135.
Yeah, wow. So can you see that? So within few seconds, I was able to build a travel planner agent. Just you need to give your model name and a clear instructions, and then add a web search tool. So this is really amazing tool, amazing feature in Microsoft Foundry, where you can just with few clicks you can set up this agent and test this in real time. And you can just go here and just click on publish to your agent, and you can just simply your agent is now ready in production. You can test it in your teams or your Microsoft 365, any of the applications, and it's boom, it's done in couple of seconds. From your idea to the enterprise AI agent can be done by using this Microsoft Foundry. Yeah, so we have built a agent within 5 minutes, I guess. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you again. Keep learning data and AI. See you in the next video. Bye bye.